Hi everybody, it's me again, Kevin. This is the first of two short videos that are intended to provide you with a basic overview to get you set up to produce your final project. As you know from the syllabus and the information in this module, the final project is the creation of a simple website of your own. Along the way, you've completed a series of exercises that should have provided you with the foundation for its development, including the strategic intent, content plan, and site architecture. Now you're going to take those elements and create your own website. Remember, it's yours, so it can be for any purpose that you would like. It can be your own personal blog, a place to share or promote art or music that you create. But you should have a clear vision of what you're trying to accomplish with the site by now. Now, maybe your plans have changed since your original strategic intent, and that's fine. That happens in the real world as well. So this is the first of two introductory videos to get you started. This one is going to focus on how to get a domain name and a hosting service set up for a basic WordPress CMS site. Now, I've chosen GoDaddy for this example because they have a very easy and straightforward process to get you going in less than 30 minutes. You are free to use any service you would like, and you do not need to use GoDaddy if you have an account elsewhere or prefer another service. The first thing you should do, though, before ordering anything is go to GoDaddy.com or any other official internet domain registrar and search for a domain name that makes sense for you and what you're trying to achieve with your site. And then what you're going to want to do is, when you understand what you want to do, go to the WordPress hosting area under the tab of websites. And you scroll down and you see here there's a little description of what it's about. And really, in summary, just like their marketing material says, really they handle all the technical aspects with server structure, security, and all the backups. And it leaves you free to really just deal with content and design, though we will be using a WordPress theme in order to create the design. But it's really about understanding the content that you are managing. So if you scroll down here, you'll see the starter version on the left. And there are a number of different options. You see, I am ordering this in December. There is a really great deal at $1 a month. And there are a number of different options you can choose by hitting this. You see the 3 months, 12 months, 24 months, etc. They're all $1 per month at this time. If you are looking at a different time, you should do a Google search on GoDaddy promotion or GoDaddy discount. You might get a promo code that gives you an even better deal. But anyway, with all these options, I'm going to do something. I'm going to create a site, take advantage of this opportunity to create one about making art with my kids. So I'm going to go ahead and get a 12-month hosting arrangement. Now, look, I am eligible for a free domain for this promotion, and I know artwithmykids.com is available because I looked it up before I got to this step. And I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cart. And here you see in my cart both the Manage WordPress environment at the starter level and the artwithmykids.com domain registration. So you see it's $12 just for the WordPress environment. And you can change your configuration here if you want 1 month. If you want to do it 3 months, the duration maybe of this course. But you see it might change. For me, it changed the promotion. So I'm just going to leave it at 12 months, and I get a free domain out of it. Okay, so now we just want to scroll down and go ahead to proceed to checkout. Where is it? Right there. All right. Now, here's where you enter if you have a GoDaddy account, or if you're going someplace else, you enter your returning customer information to log in, or if you're a new customer to GoDaddy, you go ahead and create a new account. And I'm going to go ahead and log in because I have an existing account there. And here's all my billing information and my payment method that they have stored. And I'm just going to go ahead and place the order because I know that what I want. Oh, don't forget to agree to the terms and services. And I place my order. Here's my order details that I'm blocking out right now, but you see basically that's it, and now you're ready to go. Now there's a few more steps that are needed. If you go to the Manage WordPress environment to get that loaded, you see I have my current band website off here to the right. That's another WordPress environment. And then I have my new Manage WordPress site that I could set up. Now, if I do set this up right now, you'll see this option to create a new WordPress site or to migrate an existing site. I'm creating a new one in this scenario. So I go ahead and click on that. Now this is really interesting. So you'll find that normally what you should have here is your domain to associate with this account. And mine is not showing here. It says only use of the temporary domain. And when I first noticed this, I realized that I had not activated my domain. So let's go back up to my account. And here's where you see your domains, and you see my artwithmykids.com, which I set up, and I want to launch that domain. Make sure that it is active. And there it is. Okay. All the details that are needed. You really don't have to go through much of what's here. Just know that it's active and that it's the duration that you own it for. Now I'm going to go back up to my account and go to my Manage WordPress Environments. And again, you see the new account, and you'll want to go to launch that new account. All right. And here you go back to that screen where you create a new WordPress site, and now there is my domain that is associated with this one. Okay. And now what you want to do is put WordPress details in. So if you have an existing WordPress account, that's what the email address and the password is set up there. But the WordPress username will be for accessing the WordPress CMS for this specific site. So that's I'm going to put in Art with My Kids as the login that I want to use. And finish. But again, the login here, email and password, is that for the WordPress environment I already have. And then you'll see a bunch of animations saying, hey, we're going to get things going. Then I'm going to go to my email, and in my email I'll have a confirmation. Thank you very much. I will also have confirmation that my WordPress site is ready, and you see the admin URL there that you could click on in order to log in and get to your content management system. And also you have an email which says that your actual domain is now registered and associated. So you click on that and you'll see that you get to your WordPress site, and it is a non-configured, really straightforward, basic WordPress site right now. And what we're going to do in the next video is talk about applying a custom theme to the WordPress environment so that you can configure the site the way you want it to configure. Right now it's really got basic things like the standard posts, canned posts that get you really just active. And now what we're going to do is focus on design next.